Here we have Blizzard. And we have lightning. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Alright. So, we're gonna test it in all of our categories. Which are 3 categories. Damage, combo potential, and grinding. So, do your Z move. Held down the most. Okay, how much damage did that do? Jaden, how much damage did it do? Oh, you're muted. You don't know? Do it fully held down. Unmute yourself. Oh, okay. So he's not gonna unmute himself because his little brother's being loud. How much? Okay. So that was fully held down. Jump if it was fully held down. Okay, so that's how much it does fully held down. Let's see how much mine does fully held down. 2,800, 828, okay, no, okay, so there's different held down values. Not held down, it's 2,300. Held down, it is 2,800, I think 50, probably 30. So for Z move damage, better. All right, so we're gonna test. That was 3,100. Test how much yours does. Okay, how much damage did that do? Okay, definitely better. All right, let's do the C move. All right, mine does 2,380. Yeah, I think that's gonna do a little more. Whoa, whoa. All right, okay, just unmute for a sec.
3,015.
Okay, good. All right, 3,015. So, wait, I think that was more than what I had, I think. Yeah, okay, yeah, mine was 380. All right, and my V move does 7,700. I don't think you're beating on this one. 7,700 damage. Okay. I can't even zoom out because that's so large. Yeah, you're not beating it on that. You're not beating Blizzard on that. Yeah, you're not beating Blizzard. So for damage... Oh! I forgot one thing. The movement. I'll do mine held down for 3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 okay. So 3,000 damage, and then you use your charge. Yeah, yours is easily escapable though. Yeah. Okay, so was that all of the charges? Yes. Okay. So it was all of the charges did 600 damage. So for damage, I'd say 2 moves on Blizzard win. So I'll give Blizzard a 4 out of 10. What would you give Lightning for damage? It's decently consistent with its damage. 8? Yeah, I'd say 8 too. Combo potential? Just fruit? Really bad for Blizzard. I mean, that does 14k damage. Yeah, it does a lot of damage. Don't get me wrong, but watch this. This is what happens when you give a 4 million lightning. You use it. Use it. I just can't. I'm turning my eyes away from this. Yeah. Yeah, that was 2 moves. Okay. So I'm gonna give Blizzard probably 7.5. I'll give Blizzard a 7.5. What would you give Rumble, Jaden? 10. Well, I'd give it like a 9.7, but whoa. All right, buddy, chill out. All right, now we're gonna test for killing NPCs. Blizzard is 1000% winning this. All right, let's just find one NPC, Jaden. All right, I'm gonna kill this one. Okay. Also, you can do that with groups of them. So I think that would be a little busted. What do you think? All right, now. Hey. Alright, do this one. Kill this guy. Kill him. Kill this guy. Well, okay, I'll put my anchor away. Well, you hit me. Now I can't. Let him heal. Let him heal. Bro. I got a little sidetracked. I do have to put my shark anchor away because it has the thief curse. I'm pretty sure, making all enemies like come towards you if you're within probably 100 meters of them. All right. Pretty good. I just have one question. Do you have any moves for gathering anyone up? Like how Gravity has that one move. That's not for gathering up. That's like pushing them away. Like how Gravity has that their C move, where it just like does that little black hole and brings everything towards them. Okay, for Blizzard, for grinding, I'm genuinely giving it a 9.8. It's known to be one of the best grinding fruits in the entire game. Yeah, Jaden, with Blizzard, all you gotta do is just hit this little move and then just do a couple of your moves and they're all dead. Okay, what do you I have the best M1 in the game. Have you ever heard of Pain? Have you ever heard of Dough? Gas? Kitsune? Dragon? You know, technically Buddha? Eagle? Blade? Blade has way better M1s. Alright, so I'm going to give, well, I already gave it 9.7. What will you give Rumble as a rating? Oh, yeah, for grinding, -12. Yeah, so, okay, Blizzard has pretty decent combo, really great for grinding, but overall, at the end of the day, it's just a grinding fruit. That's it, it's just a grinding fruit. But at the end of the day, Rumble is a PvP fruit meant for PvPers. Yes. What about the PvP match? Yeah, I'm delaying that for 6 years. Yeah, I'll do it next Olympics. I know this isn't solo leveling, but I'm doing it next Olympics. Away I go. Goodbye, people. In my opinion, Blizzard is the best grinding fruit. He's still chasing me, so Rumble is a PvP fruit, not a grinding fruit. It's terrible for grinding.